What's up, everybody? It's Chris. Not a fishing video today, but we're under a tornado warning right now. It just came across my phone. So no rain or anything, but there's some pretty cool lightning going off in the air. Trees, I don't know if you can really see the trees, probably not. But you can kind of hear all that wind over there. Good stuff, guys. I'm probably going to go get inside here in a minute. We're going to have some more fishing coming up for you guys later on this week. I got a video that I still got to edit and post. But I'll get it out to you guys. As you can see that was pretty cool. I love the lightning. Let me know what you guys think of storms. How do you like them? Do you like just sitting outside and watching the lightning? Comment down below. Just give me your thoughts. Let me know. We'll see you guys later.